Hi guys, Robert Barry coming to you on another beautiful day here in the Bahamas, and I am so excited to bring this video to you today because those of you that would have joined me in $25 one up, today's video, today's free training is going to be geared towards or in and around paid traffic. Also, I'm going to introduce to you one of the avenues that I sought out to get my paid traffic. I highly encourage you guys to tap into the traffic source that I'm about to show you, right? And like I said, today's training is geared towards getting you on the fast track and getting you paid traffic. Paid traffic is known to be the fastest way of getting traction and getting results in any online business. All right. And so what I want to do first is show you that I am recording this video at the time that I say I am recording. So therefore, I want to go into Google and show you date and time real quick. So I'm going to go over to Google. And like I said, I'm here in the Bahamas. So time in the Bahamas. Okay, there you see it, ladies and gentlemen. It is now 10:30 a.m. Friday the 30th of November. All right. And so you guys can see that I'm actually recording this at the time that I am. And I'm a real person. That is the reason why I do these sorts of things. Right. And so if I can have success in my business, I want all of my team members to have success. And so I'm going to show you in each one of my videos the exact same strategies and method I implement so that you can also have success as well. All right. And so at this time, I'm going to go over to the traffic source and tell you a little more about the traffic source and why I choose to use the traffic source to purchase traffic for my business, which is the $25 one up. Okay. And for you guys that want to join me within the $25 one up, there's going to be a link at the very bottom of this video. You can go ahead, click it, go ahead, create your account. And the minute you're done creating your account, I'm also going to put in a link whereby you would be able to reach me on Facebook. How this works is I need you to go ahead, create your account. Once your account is created, you go ahead and choose the package of your choice. You go ahead, get set up. You sent me a Facebook friend request. You say, hey, Robert, I just joined you in $25 one up. I would then go ahead and join you, add you to our Facebook community where you would see proof of income and other persons interacting with other members, introducing their members, and everybody just getting along, one big happy family. Okay. And so I'm going to take you over to my traffic source at this moment. All right. And so the traffic source that I found that works pretty good with $25 one up is Udimi. And the reason why I love Udimi is because with Udimi, they have what you call solo deals, right? And so you can just and before I even get to that, it is absolutely free to go in and create your Udemy account. Okay. And what Udemy is, it's basically an umbrella of solo ad vendors that are selling solo ads to different affiliates of different companies. And so one of the things that I like, you can come in here, you can be an affiliate as well. I'm not an affiliate. I just created my account and I can come in here and buy traffic. And so as you come in to join me in the $25 one up, I'm also going to leave my link at the bottom of this video, and you can go ahead and click your Udemy, and you can go ahead and create your free account, right? And so you just come here and click on solo ad deals. And here, ladies and gentlemen, is where you would find weekly deals. And so everyone comes here to find out who has the hottest deals. Of course, we would just come off of Thanksgiving. And so you have Thanksgiving sales are still going on. And you can see this guy here is selling clicks for 35 cents. Also, one of the things that I like with Udemy, you can go ahead and get background reviews on each one of the solo ad vendors. And so you guys can go, there's so many solo ad vendors here, it's unbelievable. And it's a competition for clicks. And so you're going to find that you're going to find some of the cheapest traffic online amongst these vendors. All right. Now, I purchased some traffic a couple of days ago, well, yesterday actually, and so I want to show you another benefit of buying solo ads from Udemy. All right. So once you buy solo ads, you can then go ahead and communicate with your vendor. And as you can see, thank you for your purchase. I look forward to working with you and please reach out to with any questions. And so if I had any questions, I can go ahead, message Dana, and she will message me back as soon as possible. But even so, I want to, okay, let's go back. Okay, great. And so what I did yesterday, I went ahead and I purchased a $125 worth of clicks. All right. And so as you can see, is this it? Let me see. I want to show you my results. That's a pass. Okay. I need to go. Just give me 1 second, guys. Inbox. Okay, great. This is the screen that I'm looking for. So as you guys can see, I went ahead and I purchased $125 worth of clicks yesterday. So far, I've gotten 121 clicks. So as you can see, I got excuse me, I've got my clicks running. And so at this point now, what I want to do is, and as you look at the bottom here where it says top tier countries, you can see which countries your clicks are actually coming from. And so on here, I have the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Jamaica, so on, etc. Also, when you are purchasing your clicks, let me go back. Okay, I need to go back. Just give me 1 quick second, guys. Okay. Give me 1 quick. Oh, another thing also, when you refer other members or other persons to Udemy, like how I said to you guys, my Udemy link is going to be at the bottom of this video, and you go ahead and you join them and you actually go ahead and purchase traffic, I get a percentage of my next purchase. Okay, so it's almost like a set like an affiliate marketing type of deal, so to speak. So if you guys go ahead, click on my link, and you sign up for your free account, you go ahead and purchase traffic. A portion of your purchase will go towards me getting a percentage off of my next purchase because I referred you. You sign up through my link, and so when you guys go ahead and you sign up under me to get your free account, when persons that you refer create their account, the same thing is going to happen to you. So it's like an avalanche effect, right? And I want to show you this one more very important point before I get out. And this is my Udemy link. And so this is the link that is going to be at the bottom of this video, guys. you can't go wrong with Udemy. You can come in here and buy clicks, very, very good clicks at a very reasonable price. And so I would always recommend Udemy. Okay, let's go over. Another thing that you're going to do, you're going to come over here and create your profile. Like I said, excuse me, it's very easy. Udemy is very newbie friendly. All right. And so you guys can come over here, play around with this stuff. Like I said, every week there's different solo art deals. You can come in here, read the testimonials. You can even go ahead and communicate with these persons before you even purchase your solo art. And also, if you ever do come across a vendor and outside of Udemy, you can always come in here and do a research, type in the name and see if they're actually selling clicks for Udemy. All right. And so, guys, if you have any other questions as it relates to getting all signed up with Udemy, or any questions about how this whole Udemy thing works with $25.1Up, or maybe another opportunity that you may have, my line is free. You can message me. I leave my Facebook link. So if you need to reach me, you can do that as well. All right. And so you guys, I'm going to end this training right here. Please, 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 please grab your link, sign up, get traffic to your business, and let's get you paid. You guys have a nice day. I'll see you soon in another video shortly. You guys be blessed. This is your boy Robert Barry signing out.